Hi guys, Merry Christmas. I'm so excited. I'm gonna do a Christmas haul and I've never done one on YouTube, so I thought I would this year. I have a bunch of more vlogs from before today that I need to post this week, so stay tuned for those, but I just wanted to get this up today. And obviously, before I get started, I just want to say thank you to everyone who got me a gift. My parents, my boyfriend, his family. Thank you so much, and I'm so grateful for everything. Starting off with my stocking, I got some scratch tickets. This e.l.f. Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. I love this spray so much. I saw this on TikTok and I really wanted to try it. It's the NYX Lip Lingerie Felt Tip Pen lip liner. I got it in Naughty Nude. Super excited to try that. I got a new SD card for my Osmo. A few gift cards. I got Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, and Starbucks. And I also got an SD card case because I just have them loose everywhere, so this is really great. I can stay organized. Then for the candy, I got Reese's Sugar Cookie, and these are so good. There's like sugar cookie chunks in them. I literally started eating them already. I got 2 bags of those, so I'll be set for a while. I got Kit Kats. I love the ones that are shaped like Santa. They're like thicker. They're so good. Then I got these chocolate pretzels. I love chocolate pretzels, and this shape seems like satisfying to eat, so I'm excited to try these. Okay, I think that was all for stocking. Let's move on to the gifts. So my parents are so cute, and every year I get special paper and tags, and this year my paper was New York City themed, and it was so cute. There's like pops of pink and it was sparkly, and then my tags were Miffy. They're so cute, and I just get like a different one on each present. We always do gifts from my dog to us, and she got me these cute earmuffs. I love these. These are going to be so cute in the city. And then she also got me a box of gummies, but that's what my camera's on right now. So I got 2 early Christmas gifts this year, which honestly, I would have been happy with just those because they're so kind for getting these for me. My parents got me a new MacBook Pro because mine died. It was so sad. And then they got me my Osmo, which I'm filming on right now. And I love my Osmo so much. It makes it so easy to make videos and just to create content in general for TikTok or YouTube. The next thing I got was this wireless projector, which I'm so excited. So in our apartment, we only have one TV, and my boyfriend's usually watching something or playing a game, and I like to hang out in the bedroom. It's just so much more comfy. And now I can watch YouTube and stuff on my wall because we have a huge empty wall in our bedroom. And this is going to be perfect to watch all my YouTube videos and everything on. My boyfriend got me this wallet, and it is so adorable. I love this color combo, and it's leak proof, which is so iconic for the train because I spilled my water once all over my pants and it was a little embarrassing. So I'm really excited to start using this. He also got me these MEJ clips, and they are so beautiful. I'm so obsessed. He also got me the Rode Pocket Blush in Piggy. It's a really light pink. It's so pretty. Then my parents got me the Bose Ultra Open Earbuds in silver, and I was so shocked when I got these because they already got me the computer and a camera. So I was not expecting something this big. These are gonna get so much use because I edit videos and I always need an earbud or a headphone. And then on the train, I don't like using my AirPods because they fall out. But these clip on, so they're gonna be great in the city, walking around on the train. I'm so excited to open these up. I've really been wanting to try this brand called Chunks. And they got me 2 sets of this color just so I would have a full set. Then they got me the black and white version, which I'll use these a lot with so many outfits. They got me this pink and yellow, which is so cute. And then they got me these getting ready clips, which are really adorable. I'm so excited to use these, and they're a small business. Love supporting a small business. All their stuff is so cute. I'm excited to finally have some to try out. My parents got me a blind box. So cute. It's Miffy. And I'm going to have this hold my matcha spoon. And I got the flocked one. She is so adorable. I can't wait to put this on my little matcha station. My parents got me this candle from White Barn. It's Laundry Day. It smells so good. And then the undrenched linen room sprays. I love these in my apartment. They're so strong and they smell amazing. Then my parents surprised me with a new Canon digital camera. So I broke my computer in October and I broke my digital camera in the summer. I need to stop breaking my things, but I brought it to the beach and it got sand in it, so it just like the lens wouldn't open. But this one is the same, maybe a little better than the last one I had. So I'm so excited to try this. I just miss using it because like the photos are so cute on it. Then my boyfriend got me these masks, which I've been wanting to try. They're the Collagen Riedel Shot 100 2-step hydrogel masks. And you like put this serum on your face before you put the gel mask on, and it's supposed to feel like needles, like it's going into your skin. And when I was at an event the other week, she said that this girl I met said these were really good, and I'm just so excited to try these too. I'm so excited to try all these things. This was just such a good Christmas. I'm so happy and grateful. My friend also got me this black pink moleskin journal because he knows I need to plan out my life. He knows that I probably should like have a diary because I like want to keep track of the things I do for like my future kids and everything. And I was like, I need to do that next year. So this is perfect for all of that. And it's black pink, which I love black pink. So I'm so excited to write in that. And the last gift my parents got me is the Barefoot Dreams robe. I think it's the cozy chic one, and I think the color is Dusty Rose. It is so cute. I'll insert a little clip of me wearing it from my TikTok. It is so soft and warm. I'm always cold and I got instantly warm when I put this on. I'm so excited to have this for like the rest of winter. It's gonna keep me so cozy and warm. So those are all the gifts I have here. I'm gonna insert some clips of some presents I got that I left in New York. My boyfriend's parents got me these pink Birkenstocks. How iconic. They are pink. Like what? I didn't know they made pink ones. So they gave me those, and then these cotton socks I can wear with those, and I have other Birkenstocks too. Then my parents got me an air fryer. This one is so high tech. I'm obsessed with it. They have this one at home and I always use it when I come visit. So I'm so excited to have my own. We had a Christmas in New York, so that stayed there because they did not want me to haul that from New Hampshire to New York. Then my boyfriend got me this snuggle sack blanket and it feels like my Barefoot Dreams robe. It is so cozy. Then my boyfriend got me these wooden spoons. I really wanted these for my yogurt bowls and my acai bowls. I think they look like so cute with a bowl, and I have a wooden bowl that matches them, so cute. But that was my 2025 Christmas haul. I hope you guys enjoyed, and like I said before, there's gonna be a bunch of vlogs coming from November and December after this video, so stay tuned for those. And then I'm just gonna be posting like more consistently throughout 2026, so stay tuned for all of that New York City content. I'm so excited to see where 2026 takes me. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video.